Welcome once again to my channel. We are continuing the objective test questions on the just ended June WASSCE mathematics examination. Question number 42 to 44 is based on the bar chart that represents the distribution of marks scored by a student in an economics examination. So this is the bar graph. So this is the marks axis, and this is the axis for frequency, labeled 2 centimeter to 2 units, then 2 centimeter to 1 unit. Now the first question based on this is that if the failed mark was 4, if those who had 4 marks failed, what would be the probability that a student selected at random passed the examination? We know probability is based on the number of events over total number of sample space. So first of all, to find the sample space, it means we need to find the total frequency. And how do we get the total frequency? The total frequency is based on the marks. Now, how many people got 1 marks? There are 3 of them. So that is 3 for a frequency. How many people have 2 marks? That will be 6 of them. Meaning 6 plus 3 will have been what? 9. So we will be adding the frequencies of the marks to generate the total frequency, which is our sigma f is going to be the first frequency will be 3 plus 6 plus that will be 9. Then this will be right away 12. We come back, I think this will have been 1 before we get to 12, which is this. Then this will give rise to what? Plus 7. 7 here will give rise to 5. Then 8 will give rise to what? 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marks. So this is how the frequency is going to be. Adding them give a total frequency. We know this is going to be 9 plus 9. That will be 18. This will be 19. 19 plus this will have been 31. 31 plus 12 will have been 43. Then plus 10, 53. So our sigma f will be 53, which in this case under probability will be what? Sample space. Okay. Now, if 4 is the fail mark, it means that those who get 5, 6, 7, 8 are the people who pass. So 4 is the fail mark. Then it means those who had 5. How many people had 5 marks? So we are going to have the number of 4, those who pass. So let me use E for the event of those who pass. That will be 5 marks will be 12 of them. Don't forget, let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 of them plus 7 of them plus 5 plus what? 10. We know this is going to be 12. 12 plus 12 will be 24 plus 10 will be 34. So probability of the event will now be number of events over total sample space. So what will be the event? The event is what? 34. What is the total sample space? That is 53. And what would that be if we were to put that into our calculator? 34 divided by 53, that will give us 0.6415. But we can approximate that to 0.6 as what? 2 decimal places. So the total, how do you call it? The probability, we can leave it this way. We are moving to decimal because the question provide the answers in decimal. And this will have been the option A. Question number 43. What percentage of the students score at most 5 marks? The most, not at least. Meaning the highest of the marks is what? 5. Some got 1 mark, some got 2, 3, 4. At most 5. Meaning for us to indicate an event, I will use F to indicate so number of those who had at most 5 marks will be F. So how many people had at most 5 marks? So it means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 1 plus 12. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then at the most is what? 5 marks. It means all these people get least or less than 5. So let's add that to get still 9, 18, that will be 19, 29, so 31. That will be 31. So if this is the number of those who had at most 5, we are looking for percentage. We need a fraction times 100. So the percentage of F, which is the number of F, will be 31 over total sample space, which is what? 53 times what? 100%. You know, a percentage, we always need a fraction before we multiply by 100. So what would that be? On our calculator, we are going to have 31 divided by 53. Then we multiply that by what? 100. And that gives us 58.449. So we have 58.49%. And that could be translated to 58.5%. I am moving to 1 decimal place because of the option provided in the answer. So this will be our answer 4. The percentage of students who score at most 5 marks. Question number 44, the last one on the bar graph. How many students scored at least 3 marks? At least. The least of the marks is 3. Meaning the person could get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The least should be 3. So we know if this is the least, then it means we could have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll be having 1, 2, 3. So the least is going to be this. So we are looking for number. So the number of people who had what? At least 3 marks is going to range from 9 plus 1 plus 12, 7, 5 plus what? 10. And if I want to do other calculations, I can say I'll subtract 9 from here. And 9 from here will be 3, 6. So we have 44. Which will be the same as adding this to be 10 plus this 22, 29, 39, 44. So number of students who have at least 3 marks will be 44. I believe you are able to get the concept of using bar graph to answer questions under objective. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Bye-bye.